Well, good morning. Today we're on a bit of a waterfall road trip. I hope you like waterfalls because I think there are going to be a lot on this channel. We're going to start off the day here at McDowell Creek Falls. I've never been here before, but I'm looking forward to checking it out. The weather is pretty good for waterfall photography or forest waterfall photography. There's a high overhead cloud and it's diffusing the light nicely, and so there won't be any too harsh shadows or bright spots. So yeah, looking forward to checking it out. Let's go. Already lost. Yeah, it's not super straightforward. Apparently there are multiple falls here, none of which are called McDowell Creek Falls, I don't think. We're going to go to the Royal Terrace Falls, and I think later go to the Majestic Falls. I believe it's that way. I know this isn't the waterfall, but it's a pretty cool scene. I'll show you this. It's early spring here, so we got the trees just budding here. I just love how they stand out against the dark background. Try different things, different compositions. It's kind of nice. All right, let's give it a go. Lovely looking falls. Not sure if I can get a great shot of this. I'm not gonna work it, I'm gonna experiment a bunch. We'll see what we get. Check out this trillium I just found. I think we gotta shoot that. Try something just straightforward. I'm on a bit of a time crunch. So that was Royal Terrace Falls. Now we'll go check out Majestic Falls. Well, Majestic Falls is lovely and all, but I don't know. Can't really find an interesting shot. There are a lot of people here today. I don't know, maybe I'm just hungry. So, let's find something to eat. Well, we got burger on the menu today. Let's start out by grilling up some onions. All right, looking good. Next up, put that there for now. Next up, you gotta toast the buns, because you gotta toast the buns. All right, next up, American cheese. I am unapologetic about this. I like the umami it gives. All right. Keep assembling this. Gotta have the ruffles. All right, cheeseburger in paradise. Cooked perfectly, come on. All right, I've been recharged, the PMA has been restored, and it's time to go to the next location. It's about an hour away. I'm not gonna disclose where it is though, because it's off the beaten path, and I think we should keep it that way for as long as possible. See you there. Well, we made it. I've been here once before. I'm not sure if I'll be able to improve on the shots I got last time, but regardless, I thought I'd bring you along and show you, one of the little hidden treasures here in these Oregon forests. So if you can't tell already, what makes this place great is the moss. I mean, the falls are wonderful, but the moss is really the beauty and the unique part of this place. We're gonna try to capture that in our composition. I forgot to change into my boots at the truck. This is very cold. Well, that was lovely. Onward to our final destination of the day. just love all these roots. Makes some great foreground. Look at this darn tree that's right there, kind of blocking it. Maybe there's something we can do here. A bit wider, close. I like how the trees frame that. We got the roots down the bottom. I think we can work with this. Yeah, let's shoot this. Well, I think that concludes our waterfall adventure today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.